Jazz Fest with 5 bands there at that pizza place.
Salud.
Coco's.
Yeah.
They're having 5 bands.
Really?
Yeah.
So basically nobody's getting in and out of Cocoa.
That, the board riders is going to be coming that way, so I called them and told them, be careful because they're there.
Yeah, when you got like this one's that one's a real proofy one, but it's got,
do you mind if I like
no, it's fine. This one's real proofy, but it's got a ton of complex flavor. But it is 115 proof. But you'll never know sipping it. This one has been aged in wine barrels, which is a weird thing, but it's got a little bit of that berry flavor at the end on the finish.
Okay. And the mixtures, what?
Mixers, that's a complex bourbon. It's got a ton of different flavor to it, you know, and it's got a strong finish, so it's like a lingerie bourbon, lingers.
Okay.
I'll give you a little taste of it. Tell me what you think, and if you want some of it. It's different. It's a lot different than any bourbon you ever had.
Oh, Greg Barney.
Bourbon, you know, it goes way back. Before they started putting it in barrels, they called it something else. Toro. 190 proof.
Oh, yeah, okay.
Tasty?
Yeah.
I got a committee that hit by a car. She was dead, but she was in the middle of the road. So a bunch of people ran over her, and he did too. And they all pulled over, right? And the cops asked for his license, and he's putting his thumb over the license where it says daytime only. And he was showing him his license, they kept on. To the plaza, the cops were looking. Wow. But he killed himself New Year's night. And I remember exactly, I was driving down the road in Georgia, coming out of...
Oh yeah, I've hell man, my first I think my first one was Wild Turkey 101. I was out fishing in a little catfish pond one night. My brother comes over with a case of Pabst Blue Ribbon and a bottle of Wild Turkey 101, and I was probably, I don't know, 12, 13. And ever since then, I was like, man, that's some good stuff right there. So ever since then, I've just been drinking bourbons. You know, I've been in the military for 20-something years. And traveled all around the world, and you always find those little bars that's got some good whiskey. And I'm always looking for that little hole in the wall. You know, the little saloons. Heck, I've been a horseman and cowboy a lot of my life, so we always wound up some old honky tonk.
Send me the videos and I'll help you.
Alright, so that's a chorizo sausage and just really good waffles. We get the brioche waffles. And then the maple syrup is infused with bourbon.
Okay, so I have maple infused. So el syrup tiene bourbon. Vamos a meterle aquí. Thank you.
Ronnie, what can I do you for, buddy? You want another?
Yeah.
Eso está cabrón. El syrup tiene bourbon y la mezcla entre salado y dulce está brutal.
You don't have to know much Spanish.
Now, Those cervezas.
Bueno, esto es sencillo, mi gente. ¿Te gusta el bourbon? ¿Quiere venir, quiere probar, quiere aprender? Venga al Dirty Cowboy Bar a probar. Que Chris lo vaya de la mano. ¿Cuál es tu nombre, amigo? Y Giancarlo. Venga, pregunte por Chris. Y si Chris no está, pregunte por Giancarlo. Que Giancarlo lo va a llevar de la manito.
Gracias.
Para probar todo el bourbon que hay aquí. Tienen, además del bourbon, tienen Scotch, tienen Irish, ok, hay variedad. Y tienen cervezas y eso. Pero, coja mi consejo. Venga a beber bourbon. Pruebe. Diga lo que le gusta a usted, que ellos le van a ofrecer lo que usted quiere y no se va a decepcionar. Y va a aprender y va a disfrutar la experiencia. El sitio está tremendo, de verdad.